Betting is closed, then the race is on. Siopaw King, haha, draws for your lead. Rakma World moving up down on the inside. Now acting as the pilot. Puting Biyaya moving up to take second. Sunny Saviorum in between runners. Next in line, El Mundo, then followed by Money Talks. And Diamond's Best is the tail-ender. As they race towards the 600 meters pole, Rakma World leading the field by about 2 lengths. Siopaw King, haha, moving up once again, catching the second spot. Puting Biyaya moving up down on the inside. Then comes El Mundo as they race at a 450. Rakma World, Puting Biyaya opening down on the inside, and now grabbing the lead. Puting Biyaya, this time by about a length and a half, running on the outside. Rakma World moving up. El Mundo with 150 to go. Puting Biyaya, El Mundo trying to make a bit on the outside, but Puting Biyaya managed to win this one over El Mundo. Then comes Money Talks, Rakma World, Siopaw King, haha, Sunny Saviorum and Diamond's Best.
Okay, 26317, order of arrival. Sabi ng mga diamantista, sa wakas, Yamato rin na nanalo. Peter John A. Guse.
Okay, time for the race, 1:13. Hindi na nagawa niyang preba. 0.2. Quarter times natin, 25 in a fraction, followed by 22 in a fraction, finishing at 25 in a fraction.